Hey everyone, it's me again, your local real estate expert here in Portland, Oregon. If you were thinking about selling your home anytime soon and you want to make sure that you have the smooth transaction, stress-free, and you're going to get top dollar for your house, this video is for you. And if you're thinking about selling your home soon or you just want to know how the process is working, I will leave you my information in the description below. Reach out to me so we can book a free consultation. And before we start, make sure to subscribe and like this video and also ring the bell so you can get notice of more videos in the future. And let's start in and see how we can plan your sale process correctly. First thing first, you need to create a timeline. Before you even list your home, you need to think what is your timeline. When do you need to sell your home? When do you need to be out of there? So then we can know how to prepare for it. When we're gonna list it, how much we're gonna list it for, if you need to move fast, if you're flexible with the times, or you need to move quickly. Most home in Portland will sell in about 30 days if you price it correctly from the beginning and if you do really good marketing. So it may take a week, maybe two, to prep all the house and make everything ready for the sale. If we need to stage it, it may take around the 2 weeks. One thing I also tell my clients, give yourself a little bit extra time, between a week to two, so there is really time to prepare everything correctly with no stress, and sometimes there is some delays, so if you get an extra week or two, that can be really good for you. Number two, you need to know the housing market. You cannot prepare effectively if you don't know what is going on in your market. So you need to check if houses in your neighborhood getting multiple offers, if there is really good activity in the area. In Portland, neighborhoods like Alberta Art District and Selwood and Bethany are still in really high demand. And on the other side, some neighborhoods a little bit shifting. So before we list your house, I will create for my sellers a detailed market analysis so we can look exactly of how much and how fast this house is selling in your area, so we can kind of like prepare for that same timeline. And here is one of the best tips I can give for my sellers. Make sure your timeline, pricing, and marketing is correctly to today's market, not what happened last year and not what will happen next year. We're selling your house today, we should prepare for today. Number three, we need to make you a detailed market analysis. And what I'm saying by that, we need to get a really professional market look about how much your home is valued and not just like an estimate from Zillow. So what we need to do is look at market trends, comparables, and any unique features that your house have, so we can get the most accurate price that we can sell your house for the most money in today's market. Pricing your home correctly is everything. If you price it too high, your house just gonna sit and it will lose your interest. Best thing to do is price it correctly at market value, and if you want to create a little bit more spark and more attention to the house, we can also price it a little bit below of what we're supposed to go into the market to get people more attention on the property, and that can lead you to a multiple offer situation. When you work with me, we're gonna create together a detailed market analysis. We can see what we can sell your house for the most money possible. I work with my sellers together to see what will be also a price that they will feel comfortable as well going into the market. So then we together on the same page. Next, we're gonna create a pre-listing checklist. So we're gonna make sure that we have landscaping taken care of, the house is clean, organized, staging if needed, professional pictures, and we're just gonna make sure that everything is ready before we're going live. That may include painting a room, maybe fixing a leaky faucet, or maybe some door handle if needed. Those small repairs can sound sometimes stupid, but in a buyer's perspective, that means a lot, because that means that the house is maintained and in good shape. And remember, a clean home, natural look, and good, well-maintained home sells faster and for much more money. Number five, we get your home ready for marketing. So as we got done getting your home ready for showings, now we're getting into the marketing phase. This is where I get a professional photographer. Also, we can do some videos of the house, and also if needed, we're gonna do staging. It all depends on the house and what needs to be done. I also created digital marketing plans that including YouTube videos, all social media advertising, if it's through Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn, and all of those platforms. Of course, it will go to the MLS, Zillow, Redfin, and all of those platforms as well. In today's market, the buyers are very savvy and tech savvy as well, so your house needs to be out all over social media and the online. The sixth step, we're gonna strategically timeline your listing. So we all know that timeline can make or break a deal, and there is really better times than like other times, some people will say. We all know that also springtime and summertime are better than the colder times, because there is those times that people look for more houses. But also in those cold times, there is still people buying, and we can timeline your home sale and we can get it in sell fast and for top dollar. As your listing agent, I will make sure that we're gonna timeline perfectly when to go in the market for maximize exposure and maximize the excitement from buyers. Usually good times to list the property is Wednesday and Thursday, just before the weekend, to get all of that spark attention, and then people go to see houses over the weekend. So that's a good time to put the house on the market on Wednesday or Thursdays. And one more thing that we also can do, if we have a little bit time, we can create a coming soon listing as well, to create more buzz and get people interest when it will actually hit the market. A lot of people will come running to see the house, and that can create a lot of buzz and maybe also get a few offers. And the last step, be prepared for offers and negotiations. So when offers are gonna start to come in, we're gonna sit down. I usually sit with my sellers and we look about all of the offers. And to be honest, we're not just looking at price. We're looking at buyer financings, timeline, when they can close, and what is the best terms, and also higher price also make a big difference. A well-prepared seller is ready to make a fast decision, and that preparation can get you in a win situation in negotiating. I guide all my clients through the offers, negotiations, counter offers, all stuff that we need to do. And in the end, I make sure that my clients make the best decision for them, so they can be happy and be satisfied with the decision they made. And I make some recommendation, but in the end, it's my client decision. Selling your home doesn't have to be stressful. With a plan and expert guidance, you can sell your home smoothly, fast, and for the most money possible. If you're thinking about selling your home in Portland, reach out to me so we can book a free selling consultation, and then I can personalize you a listing strategy which will fit your timeline and when will be a best time for us to go in the market, for everything to be prepared. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm looking forward to see you in the next videos. If you like this video, make sure to click the subscribe, and if you have any questions or any comments, please leave them in the comment below. I make sure that I answer you with any questions, and see you soon.